Tirupati to find out what the ground situation there looks like. We are in Tirupati, the temple town of Lord Venkateshwara, more popular elsewhere as Balaji. Most political parties in Andhra Pradesh tend to start their election campaign from here. On the Roadside Republic, we also start our journey in Andhra Pradesh from Tirupati. In 2009, the star candidate for the Tirupati Assembly seat was Chiranjeevi, who made his political debut with the Praja Rajyam party. Riding on his popularity and promising social equity, he won the seat by nearly 11,000 votes. His party got 18 assembly seats and 16% of the vote share.
Facilities and better.
But now the Praja Rajyam has merged with the Congress and Chiranjeevi is a Rajya Sabha MP, showcasing India to the world as Union Minister of State for Tourism. The Congress candidate that Chiranjeevi defeated is now the YSR Congress MLA from here. Election la varudilla korangaattam neenga aatreenga
engalukku avanga aatranga rajyakala vandu romba aatranga.
What this man is saying is that before elections politicians dance before us and after elections it is us who has to dance before the politicians. Just the way he makes the monkey dance, the politicians make the people dance. Though the voices now on whether the state should remain bifurcated or remain united are political, but the agitation on the ground was started mainly by the students here in Usmania University as well. Before we chat with students here, we go across to Sri Venkateshwara University to get their concerns and their thoughts before bifurcation of the state. Over the last few months, in fact, there has been series of agitations in this place over the issue of whether or not the state should remain united or bifurcated. Is that going to be the biggest issue in these elections?
Yes, ma'am. This issue is only the major issue to be in 2014 elections mandate. Definitely, every party should know who party supported United Andhra. We will vote for them only.
As a youngster, you tell me, is that the biggest issue on which you are going to vote?
Yes, ma'am, it is the biggest issue. Why? Because we want Andhra Pradesh, not want to Telangana. That's why who support the Simandra and who support the Andhra Pradesh, then we will go for vote that party.
Is this going to be a first election in which you're going to be voting?
No, this is my second election.
Okay.
If you ask my past experience, I have voted Mr. Chiranjeevi, who is not presently our MLA. He is minister and he
doesn't even have his party any longer.
Of course, we lost Kurnool, but now we are also losing Hyderabad, and we don't want to lose Hyderabad. We want united Andhra, and we don't want to take another 20 years to raise up a new capital for us.
One of the big reasons that has been cited for wanting to keep Andhra Pradesh united is that job opportunities are all in Hyderabad. The corporate sector is in Hyderabad. The development has happened around Hyderabad. But I'm going to ask these MBA students, what difference does it make to their life? Does bifurcation going to affect your future? Did these agitations in your university make any difference to you?
Yes, bifurcation will definitely affect the student career as well as the curriculum of the actually I am the MBA student, so we lost 75 days of curriculum. So this affects my studies as well as the career opportunities. Even most of the companies are not willing to come out to our campus for the campus selections.
I'm going to go to Madam Professor and ask you were an active participant in these agitations. Why did you feel strongly that AP needs to remain united?
Because every opportunity is in the Hyderabad. Everybody wants to take Hyderabad from Simandra. It is a very wrong decision taken by the Sonia Gandhi. I am strictly opposing that decision because she is not understanding the problems of Simandra.
I am with a great hope and a very optimistic that the bill in the parliament will be defeated as it was defeated in Andhra Pradesh Assembly. The Andhra Pradesh members of Assembly has given a fitting reply to the Sonia Gandhi's move. Even the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders should also rethink. They should reconsider the decision. What I would like to appeal is that, madam, even for a person who has been given a hanging sentence, he will be asked what is your last desire before putting into that hanging. So, without even asking the people of Andhra Pradesh, they have given a sentence which is nothing short of a hanging, madam.
Will bandhs and dharnas and agitations, as you are saying, be able to stop bifurcation?
Yes, madam. Definitely, we will make this state united only with dharnas, boycotts, and some other like Nirahar Dikshas, which is being held by the politicians. So even in Telangana also, the people are continuous their dharnas for so many days. Then only the central government ready to give Telangana.
Doesn't that mean that they also feel very strongly about the issue?
Yes, madam. They wanted to be separate from AP state, but we are not wanted to separate from AP. Then what is the necessity to sit in home? We will definitely fight against. We will come to the roads and we will strike against it. We don't want to lose the AP state and our lives. And
the battle is not over yet?
No, the battle is still continue until the government makes a definite conclusion that we are not going to divide this state. This state is being united. Up to now, up to then, we will strike and we will make dharnas.